Alright, so I caught today, December 26th. I caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 dead citrus trees. So but before I cut them, guys, I have to make way to get there. You know, I have to use my trimmer to clean up my the spot where I'm gonna be like standing up, just to scare if there's snakes in here, out here. It's my way of us trying to scare them. So I'm gonna try to what do you call this now, take all these citrus trees I cut and then I put in the front. That's where I'm gonna put all of them. This is the area right here. This is the area that I'm gonna try to clean up today. Hopefully I'll get done. Or maybe if I'm done early, I'm gonna do the next line over there, the next spot over there. So alright guys, I'm trying to take a very short break here. So that's all I did so far. I feel like I'm going to pass out, guys. It's not easy when you're a 50-year-old male. It's I'm running out of air, but I should be fine. I'll live. But yeah, well, yeah, I don't see any. I mean, it's not the big job yet. I mean, that's all I did, and I'm like super tired and about to pass out. But anyway, it's better than nothing, right? You have to start with 0 and then try to move yourself up a little bit. I'm thinking of buying one of these, so I'm not quite sure what they're planning to do. Are they trying to clean up my property, or they're the owner's property? But because this equipment is sitting inside my property, if you see that orange ribbon over there at the back of this equipment, so I'm not sure. It looks good, but it's gonna cost me 10,000 bucks, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea how much this equipment will cost me, and then where I'm gonna put it. I don't have a farmhouse yet over here, you know, and how I'm gonna move this stuff from the, I don't know, do they deliver? I'm not sure. I have to do some more research about this. to misbehaving. It's getting like it's not cutting like the way it used to. But I'm gonna try to finish this thing. I have three more citrus on this lot, on this piling left. So my goal is to have this completed today before I go home. So those I already cut them. So there's only three left right here. Snake or to fix this real quick. Then cut the last one. That pile over there. For some reason this thing gets loose. I don't know why. I'm doing something wrong in here. Alright. I wanna go home, I'm tired. But I'm gonna cut the last one. Just a small one. I'm not gonna give me a chance to finish my goal today. Don't give up on me. Okay.
A crazy drink with apple cider vinegar has helped thousands of people. Ruby, stay with me for the next minute, and I'll reveal the big lie the pharmaceutical industry has been telling you about type 2 diabetes.